Yes, I think one of the things that we've all got to look to and come together with is bringing both the knowledge economy and core manufacturing back together again. We've grown up, my generation, where you learn shop, you learn mechanics, you learn hands-on skills, as well as going to university. We've lost that, and we need to bring some of that back, because I've got half a dozen kids. Not all of them are going to thrive as an engineer or as a scientist, but they could thrive very well with a hands-on job, manufacturing something, taking ideas and making them real products. So we need to be sure that we don't disenfranchise some of the young people who really look at it and say, I don't think I want to spend my day in an office. I think I'd like to go out and make something with my hands and do something. And we must be sure that we don't disenfranchise those people when we speak of a knowledge economy, because we need all contributing elements. So recently I was approached due to the changes with GM, and while we were going to announce a number of new products for 2019 and 2020, I've been encouraged to try and accelerate that and bring more low-cost manufacturing technologies and enable them and make them available so that we might also attract other new partners to the community. In fact, that was some of the discussions from this evening. So we see that it's an important aspect to bring the technology, and we have a large research team, we have over 600 patents, so we're very engaged in the knowledge economy, but we are really wanting to make sure we bridge to ensure that young people in all different job descriptions, like the diversity that every community needs, are supported in what happens moving forward.
That's a very good point. Thank you. Jason?
I've got the mic now.
Yes, you do.
I need one of these.